guys, I'm not alone. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady N. You know what it is.
Oh yeah, guys. We're back again. It's It's episode 9. Oh yeah, what's popping?
Yeah.
Yes, Bafetu. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay with us, Bafetu, because we still got more content to entertain you guys.
Yeah.
Keep you posted, because we're still coming in the flame. Hey, so let's get straight to the segment, Bafetu. The first segment, we have Tyler, Bafetu. So Tyler surpasses 4 billion all-time streams on Spotify. Yo, like damn.
What?
Yo, Tyler.
What?
Yo, like I feel like she really worked so hard. You know?
Yeah.
Especially a lot of South Africans, they don't know I'm a sino Kulu, but people might think ukuthi akaspananga, but uyaspana kahle kahle. Because most of the time she's overseas, you know.
Uyasirepresenta because we South African at the end of the day, so nje guys like uyasirepresenta nje yabo mina ubona kwami uTyler like ngiyakhuthala because uyasirepresenta. Yeah, understand ukuthi iSouth Africa nayo inetalent yabo, so nje big ups.
Especially like South African women. Now ngaba successful yabo, because now uTyler Bafetu usuke nje like, but look now yabo. So shout out to Tyler Bafetu. She's really working hard, and I hope you guys out there could start working hard, eh? Yeah. So let's get to another segment, Bafetu. So we have Ude Rose confirms EP release coming later this year. So I feel like a lot of artists now are busy with music, and so I because there's a lot of artists that spoke about release Azai.
Yeah, true. Artists nama release Azayo. So just stay tuned, guys.
Yes.
Please.
Let's begin with it. Alright, let's get to another segment, Bafetu. So we have Uzuma. So Uzuma apologizes to fans and promoters after missing shows due to border delays. This traveling thing, sometimes it can affect you. Delay was in my airports and stuff. But I feel like we're transparent about back, of which is good, and that's what is lacking on most artists in the game.
True.
So by Uzuma like giving us feedback, he really cares about his fans, and he still loves the game, you know. Like shout out to Uzuma.
Shout out.
So another one we have EQ. With Petu EQ, Chico, and El Chapo set to drop highly anticipated single track. So these guys are working on really hard, and in the Amapiano space, bafigile bafethu bafaka umlilo like
kuyabonakala nje ukuthi
like wow, these guys are making like flames in the Amapiano scene, and on top of that, baphethe uBenzo bafethu.
Guys, uBenzo niyamuza ungibangela ukushisa.
Understand? Hayi
manje kuyabanda.
Ngiyamfana la bafethu.
Ngiyantshela. Hayi ufike ngewishiwishi.
Ngiyantshela bafethu. Hayi. Alright, sesevana bafethu ishow yethu. So to conclude the episode, siniphethe Waffles bafethu. So Uncle Waffles, she thanks her friends for defending her against online criticism.
Guys.
So
bafethu yazi guys like nginiphilisa abantu kabuhlungu, to be honest. Like sesisaba nokublow up manje ngoba nina izinto enizikhulumayo like umuntu waba artist, content creator, ningabe nisamtreat njengomuntu ukuthi ufana nawe at the end of the day. Yabo ukuthi wena you are not a content creator or see artist like uwosikhethelayo ngithi. You understand? So like guys, you need to stop like ukukhuluma izinto ezingekho right ebantwini, especially futhi ama-artist guys, ama-artist ayahlukumezeka like a lot. Niyawahlukumeza ama-artist ngoba ngathi akusiyabantu, and abantu banama-feelings njengawe. So you need to stop ukukhomenta izinto ezingekho right ngoba umuntu angathatha impilo yakhe ngento osuke wakhomenta ngayo wena.
Yeah, true, but
So,
so
guys, you need to stop.
and especially on women, like online criticism has affected a lot of women, especially like South Africa. Right now, a few weeks ago, Mutsato Hati was facing the same situation against like online criticism and
about her body.
Yeah, so like you understand because like isn't like yo man, like I mean this should stop actually. Like, this should stop. Hence why I'm concluded with this show because this is a very important matter that people are not really discussing at all. So Guma podcast, Guma shows, let's keep on discussing this thing with you and take it on the next level. Because like online criticism, say if you get going level,
very bad. Right. Very bad.
So Afetsu, catch us on another episode. And check our vlogs, check our content.
Continue to subscribe, guys.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for episode 10.
10. Oh yeah. 10 fingers of death. And what's popping?
Bye.